Okay, everyone. Hello. This is Mr. Burns again, and I'm going to show you a video specifically what you need to do for each case. Okay, so slides 7, 8, and 9 for case 1, 10, 11, and 12 for case 2, 13, 14, and 15 for case 3. So if I'm on my slide, if I'm doing option A, all my materials are going to be on slide 4. All right, I can open any of these documents. It's going to take me to a link. It's probably going to take me to either Street Law or OYA, and you can look at any of these cases. Okay, these websites are really, really strong and really, really good to help you. You probably shouldn't need anything else other than the resources provided here. If you're doing option B, same thing. Here's where all your resources will be for each section. And option C will be on slide 6. Okay, whichever you choose is up to you. On the orange slide, slide 7, 10 for case 2, 13 for case 3. You're going to write the name of the case and the year here. In this section, what does it say in the Constitution about the topic? So I'm going to use the case overview document or the reading documents. I'm going to look in there. What does it say about freedom of speech? What does it say about freedom of the press? What specifically maybe has been violated here? Why is this case being challenged? When it says the Constitution, it's talking about the amendment. Okay? Who are the parties involved? The plaintiff or the petitioner is the name that's listed first. They are the one who lost at the appeals court, and they are suing the other person, bringing it up to they're kind of suing the law and making sure that that law is either thrown out or that they think that that law is unfair or something didn't go right. Okay? The defendant or the respondent is the person who won at the previous court, and they're just defending themselves. All right, so they're going to be the person listed second. All right, provide background information about what happened. Kind of read that overview and that reading, and kind of summarize in at least 4 bullets about what you think happened in this case. What were the events that led from the start to the end of the case that led this case to be something that is brought into the Supreme Court and being challenged. That law is being challenged. All right. Slide 8 for case 1, slide 11 for case 2, slide 14 for case 3. What you're going to do is you're going to open up the document that's called Through the Court System. All right. That document is going to have kind of a summary of what happened from the state to the Supreme Court or through the federal courts. And all you're going to do is write the name of the court in the box and then a quick brief sentence about what happened in that court. What did they decide? Who did they side with? Things might go back and forth. It might be person A wins and then B and then back to A. It could go back and forth. It could be the same person winning all the way up. All right, and all you can do is summarize one sentence. All right, so read those yellow boxes when you do that. That one shouldn't take you too long. All right, and then there's the blue boxes, slides 9, 12, and 15. This is the decision and your opinion. So there's a document on the resources slide called Summary of the Decision. You can also use OYA. And who won the case? What was the vote in the Supreme Court? Was it a unanimous 9-0? Was it a 5-4, 6-3, 7-2, 8-1? What was the vote? And then your opinion. Do you agree with the decision? Do you not agree with the decision? A little bit of explanation, short paragraph, at least 3 sentences of why you agree or disagree. You're going to do that on slide 9 for case 1, slide 12 for case 2, and 15 for case 3.